So our next exercise is exercise 6.3. So our question number 1 is find the value of this unknown x in each of the following diagram. So there is a property that has sum of all the angles of triangle that is equals to 180 degree. So first angle is here, the first angle is angle BAC, angle BAC. This is your angle BAC. Second angle is angle ACB. This is your angle ACB. Third angle is your angle ABC. This is your angle A. And sum of all the three angle is equals to 180 degree. So first angle is equals to X. Second angle is equals to 50 degree and third angle is equals to 60 degree, that is equals to 180 degree. So x plus 110 is equals to 180 degree. 110 is in plus, that will become minus on other side. So minus 110 you will obtain 70 degrees. 70 degrees is your required value of x. So this is your answer. In second part, there you have to find the value of this x. So sum of all the angles, first angle is x, second angle is 90 degree, so this angle is your 90 degree plus third angle is your 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. So x plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. So the value of this x is equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So you will obtain the value of x. So the value of x is become, that is 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is your answer. So we will do the next part. Next part is this part, that is fourth part, that third part you will do yourself. So three angles are x, x and 50 degrees. So first angle is x, second angle is x, third angle is f. The sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. So 2x plus 50 is equals to 180 degree. This 50 is in plus, तो उधर जाके क्या बनेगा, that is become minus. So minus 50. So 2x is equals to 130. So 2 is in multiplication, that will become divide. So 130 divided by 2 is 65 degrees. 65 degrees your answer. So our fifth part is, all the angles are x. So all the angles are x. So x plus x plus x is equals to 180 degree. So 3x is equals to 180 degree. So value of x is equals to 180 degree upon 3 is equals to 60 degrees. 60 degrees your required answer. So again, sixth part is your x plus x 2x and last is your 90 degree. So we will obtain a result, that is your x plus second is your 2x plus third is your 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. So 3x plus 90 is equals to 180 degree. 90 will subtract. So 3x is equals to 180 minus 90 is 90. So the value of x is equals to 90 divided by 3, that is equals to 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is your required answer. Next is your question number 2. So we have to use both the two properties. So we have to use the properties and find the value of x and y. First, we will use the exterior angle property. So exterior angle property is your exterior angle is equals to sum of two interior opposite angles. So exterior angle is 120 degree is equals to sum of two opposite means in नाल वाला लेना तो जो दूर है वो वाला लेना, that is x plus 50. So x plus 50 degree. So the this 50 is in plus, that will becomes minus on other side. So you will obtain the value of x is equals to 120 minus 50, that is equals to 70 degree. So the value of x is find. So x is value is 70 degree. So we know that in this triangle, the sum of all the three angles is equals to 180 degree according to angle sum property. So Sum of all the angles is 180 degree. First angle is your 50 degrees. Second is x axis 70 degree. Third angle is y is equals to 180 degree. So 70 plus 50 is 120 degree plus y is equals to 180 degree. So the value of y is equals to 180 minus 120. So the value of y is equals to 60 degree, which is the required answer. So we can easily find the value of x and y. First, we have used exterior angle property. Second, we will use angle sum property.